All right, this is the second video I'm shooting. It may not be in order, but this is another home, and this has got a little bit more complete set of plans, but I did not have a starting sketch. So we're starting with the elevation, just the front design. Again, some detail work, bay window shingles, like a metal shed roof over the porch area, little turret, and some hip roofs all the way around. So a little bit different style, but you can see I kind of have a theme with the two stories, and then I'm going to flip through these elevations and I'll come back to them and show how they lay out. So there's my rear, there's my left side, there's the roof plan, and we will come back to that. So the floor plan looks like I got the second story, so we'll go down here. Again, a lot of similar ideas that I have when it comes to layout. I like an open concept, and when you start, I like to start with one main component that you want to see in your home. A lot of people start at the front door. It makes a lot of sense, but when you start designing, this area right here in my home in this design is the most compact. It's got the most going on. So that's going to be the hardest to get everything to work correctly. So I would start there. Usually I would start with a kitchen or a main focal point or a center point, so you can see there is a cross kind of going through all of that informal space. And then I would go from there, so this dining room lines up to this butler's pantry, and then that sets the line for where the garage can go. And then how much room do I have to work in a family foyer? So my last one, a little bit of smaller mudroom. This one, I would say a family foyer. That's their entry point, and I want it to be very spacious. And that's a very large pantry in that space. And then again, you can see there's a hearth and a lanai, similar kind of concepts. That would be a very dark kitchen because there would be a roof over that. And then this is a covered porch with the metal roof over it that we saw. Very, very large foyer, a little bench there. Office, guest master suite. This was a very large home. I don't know the square footage on it. This is a 3-car garage. I don't have the doors drawn in. Sometimes I just don't get every little detail on there. And again, setbacks on the front dimension, a little garage kick out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 setbacks. So we just take a quick look at the top. Right away, there's some roof plan carryover going on there. And I think I did a better job labeling. So we're coming upstairs. Right here, we have a small pocket open to below. Probably not a huge, it's not a great look. It's a little tight. Princess Suite closet. They do not have a adjoining bathroom. Not a good design. Sometimes I just go with it and I'm not going to change it. Master Suite. There's 2 door openings that I missed, and bathroom, closet, laundry. Nothing over the garage in this instance. And then suites 2 and 3 with a Jack and Jill. Nothing over the hearth or lanai. And then if we look at the roof plan, this one's a little bit more interesting to look at. And this is where students struggle the most. And so what we're looking at right now is a 2-dimensional drawing of the roof, where this line right here, this is the main ridge. This is going to be the tallest point. And then water slopes down, water slopes down, water slopes down this way. And so this is a second story. So this is only a first story section. So all of this is happening underneath this eave line. So it's fine. But this is tied in. So this is a gable ridge that comes out to this front. This is a little kind of turret style roof. And then this and this are 2-story, but the shed roof above the porch is below. So that's why it's totally broken up. And then this garage runs back with a hip. And then this is probably hitting below the eave line or pretty darn close. And then I had to put a kind of like a triangle slant to build a valley to get that out of there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and I'll stop the video, and then I'll start a new video with the roof layout so you can see how they all tie together.